Are you ready for your first driving lesson?
Yes, but please don't scream if I make a mistake.
Don't worry, we'll go step by step. First, adjust your seat and mirrors.
Done. What should I do now?
Put your foot on the brake.
Which one is the brake?
The left pedal is the brake, and the right one is the accelerator.
Good thing I asked before guessing.
That was a smart question.
I don't want today's lesson to end with us on the news.
Neither do I. Now press the start button.
The engine is on.
Great. Keep your foot on the brake and move the gear to drive.
Which one is drive?
It's the letter D.
Got it.
Now slowly take your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the brake, meaning to stop pressing the brake pedal.
The car is moving. We're moving.
Yes, that's usually what cars do.
This is so exciting.
Stay calm. Calm drivers make better drivers.
Really? Can the car hear me?
No, but I can, and you're getting louder.
Sorry, I can't believe I'm driving.
You're doing well. Now hold the steering wheel with both hands.
Like this?
Perfect. Keep your eyes on the road, not on me.
I'm checking if you're still smiling.
I'm smiling on the outside, but praying on the inside.
Should I press the accelerator now?
Yes, but very gently.
Like this?
Perfect. Nice and slow. There's a left turn coming. Slow down a little and turn the steering wheel gently.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Hey, you're learning quickly.
Really? I think I've learned to drive already.
It's only been 5 minutes.
Watch this. I'll drive a little faster.
No, slow down.
Relax. I've got this.
Please stop the car.
Don't worry. I know exactly what I'm doing. Oops. Oh, I hit the mailbox.
I told you.
It came out of nowhere. It came out of nowhere, meaning it appeared suddenly.
The mailbox has been standing there for years.
Well, maybe it wanted to meet our car?
I don't think the mailbox was the one moving.
Maybe the steering wheel turned by itself.
Really? Now you're blaming the steering wheel?
Fine. Maybe I got a little too confident.
A little? 5 minutes ago you were a beginner. 2 minutes later you became a racing champion.
I was just testing your teaching skills.
And I almost failed the heart attack test.
Don't worry. After a few more lessons, I'll drive you to the city's most famous pizza restaurant.
Sounds great. As long as I'm still alive when we get there.
Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.